about to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick grocery outlet haul to show you guys today. So I went out for a little while. What am I saying, a little while? I'm done. I already feel like I'm ready for bed. It's only 5 p.m. but I didn't sleep much last night. We woke up at 6 o'clock this morning. I had an early appointment. I had to get like an ultrasound of under my arm and like the right side of my right chest area. Everything turned out well, so I'm thankful for that. And then we ran some errands earlier. We had one of our homeschool co-ops to attend. So today has been a very good, but a very busy day. I think I feel extra exhausted because it was a lot of driving on like 4-lane highways with constant traffic, people slamming their brakes, and you really have to focus and pay attention, and I think it took a little bit of a toll on me. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought, and then I'm going to clean for a little while. We're having our hoagies tonight, and then so that'll be nice and fast and easy. But I'm gonna call it a night pretty early this evening, I think. So the story with the grocery outlet is that I wasn't planning on going, but after their co-op today, I ended up putting Dollar Tree on my phone on the maps. I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby and I completely forgot. We ended up going to the Dollar Tree. I found a few things there. I just spent a few dollars, but I'll insert that clip here to show you guys what I bought. And then the grocery outlet was right next door to the Dollar Tree. And it's a grocery outlet that I've never been to before, so I just wanted to go in and check it out. It was humongous. It was so very well lit, so bright. It was very clean. They had large shelving and like throughout the aisles, very tall shelves. It was very nicely stocked, but the prices were more than the prices are at the grocery outlet that I usually go to. So I think I will return there just on a day like today when I just want to browse and see if I can find some deals, but I won't go there with the intention of like stocking up, like spending $200. So everything here equals $49. So I grabbed some romaine for $2, 2 pounds worth of aroma tomatoes, some turkey patties. I don't know if you've seen my other videos or not, but a few weeks back we bought some bagels from Aldi's, and we still have like 4 of those bagels from that pack in the freezer. They weren't getting eaten right away, so I ended up popping them in the freezer. So I'm thinking to pull some of those bagels out of the freezer and make my husband some breakfast sandwiches this week. We also bought some eggs. So this was $5, and these large 30-count eggs were $2.99. This here, is it Adele's? Is that how it's pronounced? This mango sausage is very good. We've had this in the past, and this was marked down to $1.99. It has to be used or frozen by mid-February, I believe. So we're still good with that. I'll leave one in the fridge to use this week, and the rest I'm going to pop into the freezer. So I bought 5 of those, so that's just under $10. You may remember I bought these recently from our grocery outlet. These were the same price. They were also $5 today, and they had the kid version. So I bought 2 containers for my children and an extra stock up for me. The kids really enjoyed the oatmeal that we bought recently, and we still have plenty left. There's some sitting over here, and there's more in the cabinet above. But since I saw this, I figured I would grab it. I will show you the reason why I was really excited about this one. If you look on the back here, sugars for maple and brown sugar, cinnamon, and the banana bread flavor, less than 1 gram. So if you're watching your sugar intake, the kids do consume sugar, but I'm just really excited to have this as an additional option for a quick go-to breakfast snack, whatever, you know, because I can even have this, but I'm excited knowing that the kids have something that's not tons of sugar to snack on or to enjoy for a breakfast here or there. Less than 1 gram of sugar, and the original Quaker oatmeal that they had in stock had 12 grams of sugar per package. So there you go. And now on to the sugar overload. We grabbed this. It was left over from Christmas, obviously. It's good until July, so it's still in stock. My husband had a little bit of it, but my kids, they kind of ate most of the Captain Crunch the last time that we bought it. So I thought I would buy this for my husband, and this time I won't touch it. He doesn't eat cereal all the time, but once in a while he enjoys some cereal. So I went ahead and I bought that. And then this here was a great find. We all enjoy seaweed. My kids love it. And these are usually $1 per sleeve. So $1 for 3 packs at our grocery outlet. They haven't been in stock for months. So they did have the sleeves today, the 3 packs for $1. And then I came across this. It is 4 packages for $3. So it was a better deal. I honestly should have bought like 4 packages, but I just, you know, I just grabbed one. So $49. This is February, but this just might be all that we purchased this week. I've been wanting to visit the Amish store for a long time now, and we just keep making other plans, or we just haven't gone to the Amish store. So I'm thinking maybe this upcoming weekend we will go there, and that'll be like our next stock up. So I do feel like I'm low on some things, but we still have almond milk. We still have a bunch of apples. We're finally starting to stock up the freezer pretty nicely. We still have some mango, and I think there's still strawberries, and we still have a little bit of salmon. We have 1 bag of shrimp left. What else do we have? We still have some chicken breast. So all of those items combined with a bunch of other things I haven't mentioned, combined with this, we definitely have enough food for a week. So I didn't necessarily do like a large grocery haul this week. So this might be like my large grocery haul for the next 7 days, even though it's not large. Does that make sense? I need sleep. I grabbed a few things from the Dollar Tree, some rubbing alcohol. I actually grabbed 4 of these, 1 for my son, 1 for my daughter. And then these 2 here are for my youngest niece. My mom got my kids. I can't speak, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm just so tired right now. And my youngest niece happened to be here when they received them. And she was like, oh, I really want one. So I told her, I'm like, Aunt Shayna is going to get you some. If we see her for Valentine's Day, we'll give her like a cute little Valentine's Day treat bag, and I'll pop these in there for her. The main reason I went into the Dollar Tree is because I wanted to get a new pizza pan. I've been on the lookout. I do want to find like a nice pizza stone. I saw one online from Target's website, but I want to go into the store and see if I like it in person. But for now, I don't have any pizza pans anymore. You know, they ruin over time. So I bought 3 pizza pans, and I was so happy to find this. They had 1 in stock. I was looking for this at our local Dollar Trees like for a few weeks now. I was so excited to find that. I love it. It's so pretty. And then we have some sweet little whales. I'm going to maybe make some type of craft with these for the kids. And then I think I'll hang a few on their bulletin board with their stuff from their current marine biology units. I just thought those are really sweet. So this was an unnecessary purchase, but we've been really good lately. We haven't been buying like unnecessary items. So I went ahead and I bought that. And then here we have the ramen. Recently I've been enjoying quite a few channels here on YouTube, and Rhoda Stone is one of them, and she's currently working on a challenge that she got from somebody else. I'll put their links down below. I'm not familiar with the other woman that like she found the challenge from, or through rather. But anyway, basically the challenge is if you only had these few food items, and it's like 1 package of ramen, a few eggs, a can of peas, there's quite a few items, but they're saying if you only had these items, what would you cook? What would you be able to make with this to survive for 3 days? And so I think it could be a very resourceful video, and it's just really interesting to me, and I'm looking forward to participating in the challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and do that very soon here in the near future. But I just thought I would show you what we bought today. Sorry for the background noise. We just came home, the kids are excited, and they're currently playing their Minecraft. I told them that they could. But that is what I bought today. So a few dollars at the Dollar Tree, and then just under 50, 49 something at the grocery outlet. So I hope that you're all doing well. Let me know, like in your area. I know, such a generic question to ask. But I am curious, the weather has been so different this year. Like not just this year, this season, this winter. I'm in Pennsylvania. We usually have lots of snow. and we've only had snow a handful of times. It usually melts come morning, and it's just been really, really weird. And then I've seen some states that never get snow that have gotten feet of snow. Weather's been strange. So let me know what it's like where you live. Is it normal, or are you seeing the same inconsistencies locally where you live? Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm gonna clean this all up, get dinner going, and call it a night early because I feel like I cannot function today. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.